Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: updated OS, working front camera, and adequate lighting. Once done, open settings and go directly to security, then face password. Make sure to choose a quiet area and steady your device at eye level, roughly 1 to 2 feet away. You will follow on-screen prompts, tap start, and keep your face centered. Move slowly only when asked. This step captures multiple angles so the system learns how you look. You now perform the detailed capture sequence. Follow each prompt to tilt and turn in small increments so the system records multiple angles. Once done, add an alternate appearance. Try glasses, a hat, or your recent facial hairstyle so recognition stays reliable. After captures, run a verification pass. The system will show a confidence level. If it's low, repeat the specific angle capture that's flagged. This builds a robust face model. You finish by enabling quick unlock and setting a secure fallback PIN. Then test unlocking across conditions, daylight, low light, and backlit scenes to confirm reliability. If you encounter issues, first clean the camera lens and retry. Make sure no strong backlight is behind you. If failures persist, reprovision the face data. Delete the enrollment and redo captures, focusing on the problematic angles. That single reprovision step resolves most stubborn recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.